They have some politician nowadays, people. Them out sit pan spring. Them don't know what to talk, when to talk, and how to say it. And say that them come across as being very insensitive. Mr. Sir, Mr. Politician, sir, yes, sir, you wear the glasses. The dentist. What formula did you test to have generated and formulated such an hypothesis as to say that those babies that died weren't real? Mr. Sir, come on, me know you're a dentist, but if you tell me so through this 7 years where you got medical school for, you never learn about any other part of the body and what takes place there? Mr. Sir, I went to high school and university, and based on what I learned in Mr. Williamson's biology class, you see, from Mr. Sperm and Miss Egg meet and have that very first conversation in the fallopian tube, a baby come out the sun. Me not care what you want to say. I'm some people, I'm not trouble things like this. I'm not trouble people. But this never come so close to home, it affects me. Because for one, I'm a mother of 3. A nice 4-year-old and a beautiful pair of 8-month-old twins. And 2, yes, I'm an MP. Springyard and St. Thomas, I'm not sure. You do not blame. Sir, in my eyes, you are very delinquent. Because people may come from local district, very nice. Big up yourself, Springyard. Very nice people. But I say the road them up, the road them terrible. I say all donkey if you walk and I go so through the road, through the main road. And people, one time from I soon reach 30. I see him come there, come to look at road work, and people say from him fix the road worse. Because just everything start tear away. You have one look part around the way coming like flat gully, if I say it name. A local place where it's flat bridge, yes. Where you have to stop up. Let's say if someone was the stoplight, then I'll put stoplight. And if one car come, I have to stop up. The next car pass. People are so we have to do just spring and accept people. This is not cars. That 2 people may attack because if you don't want to pitch over that gully, you have to make who come from north, come to south, and you are left from south, go to north, because if it want to pass one time, it's going to be problem. And yes, somebody fall over there and dislocated their legs. And 2, yes, mother, I wish part you there when woman I experience morning sickness, nausea, and all these kind of things. You have vomit, you feel like a neighbor string want come up with the vomit. You know you're hungry and want something to eat, but everything you put in your mouth, the smell just turn you off, and it's like you want to bring it up. But where they want woman to feel cramps and everything, who birthed you? Why you so insensitive? You know, based on what I see, it's like you never know what going on in the ministry. And it upsets me because you were elected and given a portfolio to execute certain duties in the portfolio. You understand? And true, you never know where you're going for 4 months, 4 months, you never know where you're going. So you just come out and come say something, if you try to cover yourself. Sir, you weren't covered and you came out as being very, very stupid. Alright? Very stupid. Because you see, from the moment Mr. Sperm and Miss Egg, all that very, very first conversation in the fallopian tube, sir, a baby come out. So I don't know where you are talking about. But people, me realize there are 2 types of people in this world, according to Karl Marx. The bourgeoisies and the proletariats. Yes, we know about them. I do look at sociology in high school. And more than half of the 2.8 million people there in Jamaica falls in the category of the proletariats. Yes, the workers, the lower class, but nothing now going for them. I can just bet right now that more than probably all 19, if not all 19, probably one of them baby they belong to someone in the bourgeoisie class, but majority of the babies, if not all, belongs to the proletariats. Yes, people not consider nobody, and so you can just play it up, because we don't understand if one baby did dead, we could understand. Or 19 baby dead and you don't know about it 4 months after. I told no rich people are running down for ball, and if it come tell you no, rich people not have no phone number for call and say, Mr. Sir, my baby dead. Or poor people not have no contacts and no if sit down and a ball. I should have over here, you a minister and say them not sue all the eyebrow them when you have by your face them that sue off. You understand? So man have to come out and then have no bigger heads where you back because you see the day when you make a statement, they say the following Tuesday, you should have put in a one corner down a garden house and use your right hand hold your left face and your left hand hold your right foot. And that you should get. And the minute you make that statement, the someone should take picture 2 before slapping in your head side, because it look like your brain now function well. Slapping at the head side like a fall of glasses the way you have from what kill fill up. You understand? Because you're not too insensitive. And then you go run, come out, come make apology. After you said that those babies weren't real, sir? No. You know why you make apology? Because you get caught. You understand? Because you get caught in the act. You were very insensitive, and you don't know where you're going in your own portfolio. So you come out because the baby done real, and true there was a public outcry for you to apologize. I mean, I know people are asking apology for because no fun, no apologize and not sincere, and if it's not sincere, it's not real. You understand? If people never did a ball for you, come apologize. You wouldn't come out, come apologize. You don't mean it. You don't mean it. So you know what? You feel like office and I don't understand why are you still sitting there? Why are you still sitting in there? But people allow something to happen to you, because I don't know how you all turn MP for up this again. Okay, for me alone, and not an extra rebel, I don't know what the signals are, because people are not green or orange, and I talk the things them as it is, but I pick side. But I said, sometimes we as people, we don't know what we want. See, Mr. Dreadlocks man there, I rate that man so very well. Him educated and him have sense. And people like them don't want to represent. Don't want people where just give no fish every day. Not that me I get fish, because I don't never get nothing from that, man. I don't want people fear give no fish. You know nobody if teach you no for fish. Or we are going to help yourself. So what happens when that fisherman dies and nobody's not carrying no fish come here? You have to learn for yourself. You have to learn for yourself. But back to you, sir. You were very insensitive, inconsiderate, rude, and very blatant in your comment. And this was this you need to come out. You need to move and go on about your business. I know found out wally pound need to come out, because guess what? No age come out for all me like 2-3 times. I don't still in there want run for office. One want run go. You don't need to walk and go over the cut and stand a place there. They go on a spot, which spot you go lay down in a few weeks or a few days time, because you don't have the health. You don't just sit down in a parliament and want to give young people and fresh brains a chance. Right now, brain drain and kill the country. You not too much university graduates left and down there come over, but guess what? You don't care, because it affect you immediate family member. So as I say, the lower class of the people, we can suffer and starve. We don't care about we. You can't say and do what you want to do. It wasn't nice what you said. I don't care if you apologize. I do not accept your apologies, and I hope all mothers are like me, because since you don't know what it feel like to carry it, because me carry my son for 40 weeks and 3 days, and my twin girl for 38 weeks and 6 days, almost 39 minutes. Nobody I carry twin go so far. You understand? I take good care of my body, and thank God for the healthcare system over here. The babies were born very healthy and well. Yes, but that statement we make, sir, it wasn't nice. I do not accept your apology, and I need to go on about your business. Go retire, go ride donkey, go lay down now, I'm go do something, a bully pattern. You don't need to come out and give young fresh brains a chance. Alright? Goodbye.